Ever wondered why some men seem to naturally command attention and respect from women, while others struggle to connect? The secret lies in understanding the delicate balance of power, respect, and emotional intelligence. It's not about manipulation. It's about being a man of strength, confidence, and integrity. Let's explore how to truly gain power in a way that fosters mutual respect and attraction. The foundation of true power. True power lies in the strength of character, emotional, mental, and physical resilience. Women are naturally drawn to strength, not just because it exudes confidence, but because it signifies stability and reliability. If you crumble at the first sign of stress or conflict, she'll sense it and may question your ability to handle life's challenges. Strength means standing firm in your values, staying composed under pressure, and facing obstacles with grace and determination. Signs of strength include calmness in stressful situations, resolving conflicts without resorting to anger, and taking full responsibility for your actions. On the other hand, weakness reveals itself through overreacting to minor setbacks, constantly seeking validation, or avoiding challenges altogether. Confidence is the key that unlocks this power. True confidence isn't about arrogance. It's about recognizing your worth and not relying on external approval. Cultivate your confidence by setting and achieving personal goals, improving your skills, and surrounding yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. When you embody these traits, you'll not only command respect, but also attract admiration. Remember, true power is quiet, steady, and undeniable. It's the foundation upon which trust and attraction are built. Emotional intelligence matters. In relationships, emotional intelligence, EK, is the foundation of genuine connection and mutual respect. It's not just about understanding others. It's about managing your emotions and responding thoughtfully to theirs. Mastering EK enhances trust, intimacy, and long-lasting bonds. The art of active listening. Want her to feel truly valued. Practice active listening. It's more than hearing words. It's engaging with her emotions and intentions. Pay attention to her tone and body language. Show empathy by asking thoughtful questions like, "How did that make you feel?" This attentiveness creates a safe space where she feels understood and appreciated, deepening your connection. Staying calm under pressure. Challenges in relationships are inevitable, but how you handle them matters. Losing your temper or reacting impulsively can weaken trust. Instead, when faced with emotional curveballs, stay calm. For example, if she's upset, say, "I understand. This is hard. Let's talk through it." Your composure not only diffuses tension, but also demonstrates emotional maturity and self-control, qualities that strengthen her respect for you, creating mystery and intrigue. Mystery and intrigue are powerful tools for keeping a relationship fresh and exciting. They create a sense of curiosity that keeps her wanting to know more about you. By embracing unpredictability and balancing your availability, you can build a dynamic that feels alive and engaging. The power of being unpredictable. A predictable routine can quickly lead to boredom. Instead, keep her intrigued by embracing spontaneity. Plan an unexpected date, like a surprise picnic in the park, or introduce her to an activity she's never tried before. For example, you could say, "Clear your Saturday. I have a surprise planned." Leaving some mystery in your actions keeps her excited and looking forward to what's next. The value of scarcity. Being constantly available can dilute your presence. Instead, Create a balance by focusing on your own life and passions. For instance, spend time pursuing a hobby, career goal, or personal growth. When you do connect, your time together will feel more meaningful. A simple phrase like, "I've been thinking about you all day," after some time apart can reinforce your affection while maintaining your independence. Communication techniques that work. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any successful relationship. The way you convey your thoughts and emotions can make all the difference in how someone perceives and connects with you. By speaking with authority and using humor strategically, you can create a strong, lasting impression. Speak with authority. Confidence is magnetic. When you speak clearly and maintain eye contact, your words carry weight. Whether discussing serious topics or casual plans, let your tone reflect self-assurance. For instance, instead of saying, "I think we could go there," confidently state, "Let's check out that new restaurant tonight. It'll be fun." Women naturally gravitate toward men who lead through their words and actions, as it shows decisiveness and reliability. The importance of humor. Humor breaks barriers and fosters closeness. A well-timed joke or playful teasing can lighten the mood and make her feel at ease. For example, if she's stressed, a lighthearted comment like, "Sounds like you need a laugh. Don't worry, I'm here to rescue you," creates a fun, flirty dynamic. Sharing laughter strengthens emotional bonds and keeps the interaction enjoyable, building respect in the relationship. Respect is the cornerstone of any healthy relationship. It ensures mutual understanding and fosters an environment where both partners feel valued. By setting boundaries and leading with integrity, you can establish a dynamic built on trust and admiration. Setting boundaries. Respect begins with defining clear boundaries. If something bothers you, communicate it calmly, yet firmly. For instance, instead of reacting with frustration, say, "I value open communication, and I'd appreciate if we could discuss things directly." This approach maintains kindness while asserting your expectations. Remember, setting boundaries isn't about control. It's about ensuring both partners feel secure and respected. Leading by example. Respect is earned through actions. Be consistent, reliable, and uphold your values. For example, if you commit to being somewhere on time, follow through. Demonstrating integrity in small ways builds her trust and admiration. Show her you're a man of your word, and she'll naturally mirror that respect in return. By setting boundaries with kindness and leading by example, you'll create a relationship dynamic that thrives on mutual respect and trust, paving the way for a strong and enduring connection. Navigating her tests. In relationships, women often test their partners, sometimes without realizing it. These moments aren't meant to frustrate, but to gauge your strength, reliability, and emotional stability. By understanding subconscious testing and responding with composure, you can build trust and deepen your bond. Understanding subconscious testing. Women don't consciously plan to test you, but it happens naturally. She might challenge your patience or push your boundaries, not out of malice, but to assess your reliability. For instance, she might say, "Why do you always do it this way?" Rather than taking it personally, view this as a chance to show understanding. Respond with grace, like, "I see your point, let's talk about it." Recognizing these tests helps you stay composed and strengthen the connection, staying unshaken by challenges. When her emotions run high, it's often a way of testing your stability. Instead of reacting defensively, remain calm and acknowledge her feelings. For example, say, "I understand this is frustrating. Let's figure it out together." Your ability to stay rational, During these moments, reassures her of your strength and commitment, showing you can handle life's ups and downs together. Mastering these responses will not only navigate her tests, but also solidify your role as a dependable and understanding partner. Conclusion. True power isn't about control. It's about respect, understanding, and self-improvement. By mastering emotional intelligence, setting boundaries, and pursuing your passions, you become the kind of man who naturally commands admiration and love.